वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today is a very auspicious day. It is fasting for Ekadashi since it is Mahadvadashi, and it is also the auspicious tithi of Makar Sankranti. Today is the day when Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted sannyas. So we are reading from Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahashaya's Shri Chaitanya Bhagavat Madhya Khanda, and this is the last chapter, chapter 28. There are exactly 100 verses describing the Sannyas Leela of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from verse number 101 through 200. So today on this auspicious Tithi, when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted sannyas, let us read these 100 texts from Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat. जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद, जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद। शुन शुन आरे भाई प्रभु रसन्यास, जे कथा सुनीले कर्म बंध जाए नाश। Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahashaya is telling all of us, please listen to this description of Lord Sri Gauranga's acceptance of sannyas. Shuno Shuno Are Bhai Mahaprabhura Sannyas. Please listen to the Sannyas Leela of Lord Sri Gaurasundar. Je Katha Shunile Karma Bandha Jayanash. Hearing this narration will destroy one's bondage resulting from fruitive activities. All our karma bandhan will be cut simply by hearing this Leela. Ganga para haya Shri Gauranga Sundara, sei dine aile na Kattaka Nagara. Kantak Nagar. After crossing the Ganga, Ganga Parahaya, Sri Gaurasundar arrived that day at Kantak Nagar, which is also called as Katwa. Seidine Ailena Kantaka Nagara. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came from Nadia to Kantak Nagar, Katwa. जारे जारे आज्ञा प्रभु पूर्वे करी छिला, ताहारा ओ अल्पे अल्पे आसिया मिलीला। श्री अवधूत चंद्र गदाधर मुकुंद, श्री चंद्रशेखराचार्य आर ब्रह्मानंद. As instructed previously by Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Nityananda Prabhu, Sri Avadhut Chandra, Sri Nityananda Prabhu, Sri Gadadhar Pandit, Sri Mukunda Datta, Sri Chandrasekhar Acharya, also called as Acharya Ratna, and Sri Brahmananda Bharati. They all gradually arrived from Nadia to Katwa. As we know, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was planning his sannyas for quite some time, and he had prepared some selected devotees, mentally prepared them for this great shock by telling them. Many devotees were not told, but these devotees were told, like Sri Nityananda Prabhu, Sri Gadadhar Pandit, Sri Mukundatta, and they were told to come to Katwa to witness and participate in the Sannyas Leela. आई लेना प्रभु यथा केशव भारती, मत्त सिंह प्राय प्रिय वर्गेर संहति. Along with his intimate associate, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like a Matta Simha, like a transcendentally maddened lion, he arrived there to meet his sannyas guru, Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj. आई लेना प्रभु यथा केशव भारती. अद्भुत देहेर ज्योति देखिया तहान, उठी लेना केशव भारती पुण्यवान. As soon as Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj saw the wonderful, beautiful bodily effulgence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he immediately got up. Keshav Bharati is called here as Punyavan. दंडवत प्रणाम करिया प्रभु ताने कर जोड़ करी स्तुति करे न आपने. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, seeing his sannyas guru, Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj, offered obeisances with folded hands and offered prayers. Anugraha tumi more kara mahashaya, patita pavana tumi mahakripamoy. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj that Anugraha tumi more kara mahashaya. O Keshav Bharati Mahashaya, please be merciful to me. Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj is going to be sannyas guru. Please be merciful to me. अनुग्रह तुम्ही मोरे कर महाशय. पतित पावन तुम्ही महाकृपामय. You are Patita Pavan, the most fallen, and you are savior of the most fallen, Patita Pavan, and Mahakripamay. You are full of compassion. Please have compassion on me. तुम्ही से दीबारे पार कृष्ण प्राणनाथ निरवधि कृष्ण चंद्र वसाय तो माता. Lord Krishna always sits in your heart. तुम्हारा हृदय सदा गोविंद विश्रम. Therefore, you are qualified to give me Krishna, who is my life and soul. Krishna se tomar, Krishna jite paro tomara shakati ache. A pure devotee has captured Krishna. Karagrihe vasasada hridaye madiye. Pure devotee has captured Krishna in the heart, and therefore the pure devotee can give Krishna to others. One who does not have Krishna cannot give. We cannot give what we don't have. तुम्ही से दीबारे पार कृष्ण प्राणनाथ निरवधि कृष्ण चंद्र वसाय तोमात. Because Krishna is in your heart, you can give Krishna to others. कृष्ण दास्य विनु मोर नहे किछुआन हे न उपदेश तुम्ही मोरे देहदान. I have no desire other than service of Krishna. Krishna dasya vina mora nahi kichuan. I don't want anything other than Krishna dasya. Krishna's dasatva, service to Krishna. Therefore, please instruct me accordingly. Upadesha deha. प्रेम जले अंग भासे प्रभुर कहिते हुंकार करी आशेषे लागिला नाचिते. As soon as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu requested Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj like this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was completely overwhelmed with ecstasy, spiritual ecstasy. And it was as if Mahaprabhu's Sri Anga Bhase was floating in Premajal Taranga, in the waves of Krishna Prem. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then began to dance and hunkar, cry out loudly, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And he started dancing. Nachite lagila. गाईते लागिला मुकुंद आदि भक्तगण निजावेशे मत्त नाचे Shri Shachi Nandan. Shri Mukund Datta and other devotees who were very pure in heart, and especially Shri Mukund Datta had a very divine voice. He sang so beautifully. He started singing, and Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nij Aveshe, in his own ecstasy, Matta Nache, as if he was completely intoxicated in a maddened, transcendently maddened state, Nache Shri Shachinandan. Shri Shachinandan Gaurari started dancing. Arbuda Arbuda Loka Shuni Sei Kshane Asiya Milila Nahi Jani Kona Kotha Hane. Millions and millions of people gathered there. No one knew where they came from. No one knew where they came from. Millions and millions of people came. Just like when Shukdev Goswami, Sri Shukdev Goswami was speaking to Maharaj Parikshit ji, so many people from different planets came. देखिया प्रभुर रूप परम सुंदर एक दृष्टे पान सबे करे निरंतर. Everyone looked at the exquisite beauty of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's divine form, and they were looking constantly, unblinkingly. They could not take their eyes off Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's divine, transcendental, beautiful form. अकथ्य अद्भुत धारा प्रभुर नयने ताहा ना कहिते पारे अनंत वदने. The indescribable flow of pranayashru, tears of love flowing from the Kamala Nayan, the beautiful lotus eyes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, cannot be described even by Sahasravadan. श्री अनंत शेष भगवान। पाक दिया नृत्य करीते जे छूटे जल, ताहाते लोक स्नान करिला सकल. As Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced, he was dancing in circle. How devotees dance in circle? It's all coming from Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was dancing in circle, and as Mahaprabhu was dancing in circle, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's tears, they were bathing everyone around Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Anyone who was standing near Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Mahaprabhu was dancing in Premavesh, they were bathed by the tears of love of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sarvaloka तितिल प्रभुर प्रेम जले स्त्री पुरुषे बाल वृद्धे हरि हरि बोले. As everyone was soaked by the pranay ashru, the tears of love of Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev, the effect of coming in contact with Mahaprabhu's tears of love was that they got Krishna Prem. Whether they were man, woman, young, old, Stri, Purush, Balak, Vriddha, everyone started chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Hari, Hari Hari, Hari Hari. Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu is chanting Hari Hari, and anybody who came in contact started chanting Hari Hari. गौरांग बोलिते कबे पुलक शरीर हरि हरि बोलिते नयने बबे नीर सतरति सरतरति स लोकांतरयति. That is the power of a pure devotee. Lokantarayati. Anybody who comes in contact with them, anybody they touch, anybody they bless, anybody they glance at, that person is benefited. Darshane pavitra karo ye tomar gun. Darshane pavitra karo, two meanings. By seeing a pure devotee, we become purified, and darshane pavitra. When the pure devotee gives his casts his glance upon us, when they take darshan, when they look at us, they glance at us, they purify us. Hari bol. Kripa drishti. सर्वलोकतिथिल प्रभुर प्रेम जले स्त्री पुरुषे बाल वृद्धे हरि हरि भले क्षणे कंप क्षणे स्वेद क्षणे मूर्छा जाय आषाढ़ देखीते सर्व लोके पाए भय. One moment Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would tremble in ecstasy. Hari 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 Hari. Kampa. Another moment he would start perspiring. Kshane Swed. Sometimes he would just fall unconscious in ecstasy. Kshane Murcha Jai. All the people there became frightened, पाय bhai, on seeing Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Achada dekhite. Achada means to see him fall to the ground. With a loud thud, they would feel great fear. Oh, is Mahaprabhu okay? Is Gaur Sundar okay? Did he get hurt? Ananta Brahmanda Nath Nija Dasya Bhave. Dante Trina Kari Sabha Sthane Dasya Mage. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as our Vaishnava Acharya, in the position of a bhakta, is teaching us. Even though he is Ananta Brahmandanath, even though Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Ananta Koti Brahmanda Nayak, he is the Lord, he is the master of all the creation. Nija Dasya Bhave, in the mood of Krishna Das. He is Krishna, but he is Nija Das Bhave. He is in the mood of being his own servant. Dante Tiruna Kari, taking a straw of grass between his teeth as a sign of humility. Sabasthane Dasya Mage. He was begging everyone for Krishna Dasya. Krishna Dasya. Krishna, bless me, I become Krishna Das. Bless me, I become Krishna Das. से कारुण्य देखी या कांद ये सर्वलोक संन्यास शुनिया सबे भावे महाशोक. On seeing the karunya, the dainyata, the humility of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and seeing his determination to take sannyas, everyone there was Mahashok. They were struck by great grief. के मने धरिब प्राणी हार जननी आजी ताने पोहाइला की काल रजनी. The people who had assembled there, or the devotees in Katwa, they were commenting, oh ho ho, Shri Gaur Sundar is going to take sannyas. How will his Janani, how will his mother Shri Shachimata survive? Kemane Dhariba Pran, how she will survive? What a terrible night she must have passed that he's going to leave in the morning and take sannyas. In those days, sannyas means social death. You'll never see your son again. What a terrible night she must have passed, they are thinking. Rajani means night. Kona punyavati hai na पाए लेख निधि कोनवा दारुण doshe hari लेख विधि. What pious activity has Shri Vishnu Priya Devi performed to obtain Shri Gaura Sundar as her husband? And by what misfortune she has lost him. Hari Lekha Vidhi. Vidhi means destiny, Vidhata. How, what misfortune? What fortune she got him as husband, and what a great misfortune now she has lost her husband. She will never see her husband again now. Oh, poor Vishnu Priya. Ama sabakar prana vidare shunite bharyava janani prana dhari bhake mate. All the people are saying, even our hearts, we are not so intimately related with Sri Gaura Sundar, but even our hearts, prana vidare, even our hearts are breaking into pieces. Our heart is shattered just by hearing Shunite that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going to take sannyas. Oh ho 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 ho. We cannot imagine what the Bharya, the wife, Sri Vishnu Priya Devi, and Janani, Sri Shachi Mata Ai, they must be going through. We cannot even imagine what they are going through. How will they maintain their life? Prana dhari bakke mate. এই মত নারীগণ দুঃখ ভাবি কান্দে পড়ি কান্দে সর্বজীব চৈতন্যের ফান্দে. In this way, especially the ladies, they felt great distress because women by nature are very loving. They have great emotions and they can actually understand the pain of another mother and another wife. Hari bol. Therefore, specifically, it is a Narigan. In this way, the ladies were crying. And everyone was completely in the transcendental trap of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela of sannyas. क्षणेक संवरी नृत्य वैसे विश्वम्भर वसीले न चतुर्दिके सब अनुचर. After some time, Sri Vishwambhar, Sri Gaurasundar, controlled himself and sat down. Vasilena Chaturdike Sabha Anuchar, and all the Gaur Anuchar, all the Gaura Parshads, they sat around Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Dev. देखिया प्रभुर भक्ति केशव भारती आनंद सागरे मग्न हई करे स्तुति. Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj was absorbed in an ocean of bliss just by seeing the great bhav, the devotional sentiments displayed by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. देखिया महाप्रभुर भक्ति केशव भारती आनंद सागरे मग्न हई करे स्तुति. Just by seeing the bhakti of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Keshav Bharati Maharaj was in a ocean of bliss, Ananda Sagar. And Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj offered prayers to Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev. Kare stuti. যে ভক্তি তোমার আমি দেখিল নয়নে এ শক্তি অন্যের নহে ঈশ্বরের বিনে. Hari bol. Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj said, oh ho ho, this devotion, this bhakti that you are displaying, no one can display such bhakti other than the Lord Himself. Hari bol. No one else has this power. তুমি সে জগত গুরু জানিল নিশ্চয় তোমার গুরুর যোগ্য কেহ কবু নয়. I have understood that you are Vasudev, you are Krishna, you are Jagat Guru. Vande Krishnam Jagat Guru. You are Jagat Guru, you are Krishna, I have understood. And therefore, there is nobody in this world who is qualified, who is fit, who is Yogya to become your Guru, to become your spiritual master. Nobody, nobody, nobody. তবে তুমি লোক শিক্ষা নিমিত্ত কারণে করিবা আমারে গুরু হেন লয় মনে. Yet I think that just to set an example, dharma samsthapanarthaya, just to teach yadyad acharati shreshtastatta deve tarojana, you are accepting sannyas, just to instruct others. Even though nobody has the power to give you sannyas, nobody has the power to become your guru because you are Adi Guru, Jagat Guru, Shri Krishna. But still, to teach people, you are performing this leela of accepting sannyas and making me the guru. प्रभु बोले माया मोरे ना कर प्रकाश हे न दीक्षा देह जे न हन कृष्ण दास. Ah, Mahaprabhu said, no, 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 no. Please don't cheat me like this by calling me Krishna, calling me Jagat Guru. No, 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 no. I am just a devotee. And I want to become a completely sold out devotee of Krishna. I want to become Krishna Das. Therefore, please, Maya More Nakar. Please don't cheat me. Give me initiation. Give me initiation, make me Krishna Das. Ei mata Krishna katha ananda prasange vanchile na se nisha thakura sabha sange. In this way, that whole nisha, that whole night was passed by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in describing the glories of Krishna, describing the pastimes of Krishna, describing the sweetness of Krishna, chanting the names of Krishna. The whole night was spent in Krishna Katha. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came from Nadia to Katwa, met Ishwarpuri, met, beg your pardon, not Shri Ishwarpuri Maharaj. Shri Ishwarpuri Goswami was the Diksha Guru of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the Purva Ashram. Now, Sannyas Diksha will be given by Shri Keshav Bharati Maharaj. Mahaprabhu comes to Katwa and meets with Shri Keshav Bharati Maharaj. And in this way, convinces him to give him Sannyas Diksha. Next day is today, Makar Sankranti. प्रभाते उठिया सर्वभुवनेर पति आज्ञा करिले न चंद्र शेखरेर प्रति. The next morning on Makar Sankranti Tithi, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Bhuvanerapati, he is the Lord Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, he is the Lord of all the planets. He arose, Uthiya, and instructed Chandrasekhar. विधि योग्य जत कर्म सब कर तुमी তোমারে প্রতিনিধি করিলাম আমি. O Acharya Sri Chandrasekhar, you know how to perform Vedic rituals, all the Vidhi Yogya, Jata Karma. You know Vidhivat, how rituals, sacrifices, everything is performed. Therefore, I appoint you as my Pratinidhi. You become my representative and you guide the ceremony. प्रभुर आज्ञाए चंद्रशेखर आचार्य करिते लागिला सर्व विधि योग्य कार्य. Then, immediately being instructed by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chandrasekhar Acharya, he started taking care of the practicalities. Because ceremony needs a lot of practical things that to be done according to the Shastra Vidhi. So he started performing that. Nana grama haite se nana upayana asite lagila ati akathya kathana. So many things, samagri, ingredients are required for the sannyas ceremony, and it was brought by people from the surrounding village. And it is very difficult to describe who brought what. So many things were required. दधि दुग्ध घृत मुग्ध तांबूल चंदन पुष्प यज्ञ सूत्र वस्त्र आने सर्वजन. What did the people bring from the surrounding villages around Katwa? Well, they brought milk, yogurt, butter, moong dal, beetle leaves, sandalwood flowers, the Brahmin thread, Yajna Sutra, and Vastra, sannyas cloth. नानाविध भक्ष द्रव्य लागिला सीते हेन नाही जानी के आनय कोन भीते. No one knew where all these bhaksha dravya, all these eatables were being brought. But people were just contributing, bringing things because they had so much love for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. परम आनंदे सबे करे हरि ध्वनि हरि विना लोक मुखे आर नाही शुनि. Everyone who came chanted the holy names in ecstasy. Parama Ananda Sabe Kare Hari Dhwani. Anybody who participated was doing Hari 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 Hari. In fact, other than the chanting of the names of Hari, Harinam Ucharan, one could not hear anything. Aranahi Shuni, Harinama Vina, Lokamukhe. Everybody was just Hari Hari, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Hari, Hare Krishna. That's all that could be heard. तबे महाप्रभु सर्व जगतेर प्राण वसिला करिते श्री शिखार अंतर्धान. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Sarva Jagatera Pran, he sat down to have his beautiful, soft, shiny, blackish, luxurious hair completely shaved off, including his shikha. As a Grahastha, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as a disciple of Sri Ishwarpuri Maharaj, he maintained a shikha and completely clean shaven. Sannyas. नापित वसिला आसी सम्मुखे यखने क्रंदनेर कलरव उठिला तखने. When the barber, Anybody knows the name of the barber? Raise your hand if you know the name of the barber. His name was Madhu. When the barber Madhu came to shave the head of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, a tumultuous sound of weeping arose. People started crying, devotees started crying. Krandanera kalarava uthila takhane. There was a great uproar of people crying, lamenting. No, 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 don't cut the beautiful hair of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We cannot bear to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu clean shaven. ক্ষুর দিতে নাপিত সে চাঞ্চর চিকুরে মাথে হাত না দেয় ক্রন্দন মাত্র করে. Even Madhu, the barber, he hesitated to shave the beautiful, 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 beautiful blackish curly hair of Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Dev. Before he even touched the Lord's head, Krandan Matra Kare, the barber started crying. Have you ever seen this? That the barber is crying. Even before touching the head, even before touching the hair of Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Dev, he's crying. নিত্যানন্দ আদি করি যত ভক্তগণ ভূমিতে পড়িয়া সবে করে ন ক্রন্দন. Shri Nityananda Prabhu, Shri Gadadhar Pandit, Shri Mukund Datta, they were so heartbroken. Shri Chandrasekhar Acharya, Shri Brahmananda Bharati, they all started crying and they were crying so much that Bhumite Padiya, they fell on the ground. They could not take it, they could not tolerate, they could not bear the thought that Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Dev, is going to shave off his beautiful hair. No, we cannot imagine that. ভক্তের কি দায় যত ব্যবহারী লোক তাহারাও কান্দিতে লাগিলা করি শোক. Arey, what to speak of the devotees? Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur is saying, even the vyavhari lok, even the ordinary materialistic people, they started crying. Just hearing that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going to shave his hair. কেহ বলে কোন বিধি সৃজিল সন্ন্যাস এত বলি নারীগণ ছাড়ে মহাশ্বাস. The ladies who are very soft hearted, they started, they were crying and taking deep breaths and they were saying, who is that rascal who invented sannyas ashram? Who invented sannyas ashram? Who is that? Kona vidhi srijila sannyas? Who created this sannyas ashram? Fire on him, fire on him. अगोचरे थाकी सब कांदे देवगण अनंत ब्रह्मांडमय हईल क्रंदन. Hidden from view, all the demigods also cried. Agochar, they were not visible. Agochar means they were not visible. They were not accessible. But Saba Devagana Kande, all the devatas, they were also crying. In this way, the entire universe was filled with the sound of crying. Ananta Brahmandamaya Haila Krandan. Everyone in the universe was crying. All the 33 crore demigods were crying. हे न से कारुण्य रस गौर चंद्र करे शुष्क काष्ठ पाषाण आदि द्रवय अंतरे हरि बोल. Such a painful sight was manifested by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Karunya ras. Karunya ras means when we cry for Krishna. Hari bol. Karunya ras means when Sri Ramachandra, on the eve of his coronation as the king of Ayodhya, is made to wear tree bark and go go to the forest for 14 years. That is Karunya ras. Karunya ras means despite the best attempts of Sri Ram and Sri Lakshman, Sri Sita Devi is captured by Ravan and abducted as she is piteously crying. That is Karunya ras. Karunya ras is when Sri Ramachandra is sitting in a cave on the Rishyamukh mountain, incessantly crying and chanting, Sita, Sita, Hey Sita, Hey Sita, 4 months of Chaturmas, as it is raining, 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 and there is no news of Sita. Where is she? What has Ravan done to her? We don't know. That is Karunya ras. Karunya ras is when everything is going on very nicely and Shri Sita and Ram are the king and the queen of Ayodhya. And because of the statements of some envious people, Shri Sita Devi, who is carrying love and kush in her womb, has to be forever sent on a one-way ticket to the ashram of Valmiki Rishi, never again to meet Sri Ram. This is Karunya Ras, when we cry for Krishna. Karunya Ras is when we empathize with the Brajvasis as Krishna and Balaram mount the chariot of Akrur and leave Vrindavan. Hare Krishna. Karunya Ras is when the gopis see the Rath coming and they are convinced our Krishna has come back. Oh, he looks like Krishna. This is Krishna. Oh no, that is Uddhav. And they start crying. This is Karunya Ras. हे न से कारुण्य रस गौरचंद्र करे शुष्क काष्ठ पाषाण आदि द्रवय अंतरे. Such karunya ras was manifested in Gaur Lila when he accepted sannyas, leaving Sri Vishnu Priya Devi, Sri Shachi Mata, that even dry wood, shushka kashtha, and pashan, even stones, etc., these hard things, they will also melt. Dravaye. Even stones and dry wood melted, seeing the sannyas lila of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Such karunya ras was there. Such pain was there. Transcendental pain, emotions were there in this lila. ए सकल लीला जीव उद्धार कारण ए तार साक्षी देह कांदे सर्वजन. This sannyas lila was done for jiva uddhar karan, for the sake of saving the fallen souls. People were criticizing Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev as he was preaching. And Mahaprabhu said, I have come to deliver people, but by criticizing me, they are committing aparadh and they will go to hell. I came to help, but because of my coming, they are going to hell. I must do something to change. It is like giving a medicine and to treat one thing, but the medicine is causing such side effects that the disease is getting worse. Mahaprabhu said, I have to do something. I will take sannyas. Because in those days, in that orthodox society, in that particular cultural context, a sannyasi is always offered obeisances. You see a sannyasi, first thing is you offer obeisances. Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya thought, if I take sannyas and these nindaks, these blasphemers, if they offer me obeisances, then I will forgive them. Then I will forgive them. And then they will be delivered. Thinking like this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Jiva Uddhara Karan, he was doing sannyas. And everybody was weeping. Everybody was weeping. प्रेम रसे परम चंचल गौर चंद्र स्थिर नहे निरवधि भाव अश्रु कंप. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his great ecstasy, I am taking sannyas to get Krishna. He was chanchal, he was very much agitated in ecstasy. Prema rase parama chanchal. Out of prem ras, he was in ecstasy and he constantly shed tears. And kampa, his body also, ashru kampa. He shed tears and his body was trembling. बोला बोला करी प्रभु उठे विश्वंभरा गाए ना मुकुंद प्रभु नाचे निरंतर. Seeing that Nityananda Prabhu, Mukundatta, they are all on the ground crying, weeping. Sri Chaitanya Maha told Mukunda, Mukunda, come on, sing. Why did you stop singing? Sing, come on, do kirtan, get up, do kirtan. So Mukunda got up and started singing Harinam Sankirtan. And Mahaprabhu Nache Nirantar. And Sri Chaitanya was constantly dancing Harinam Sankirtan. This is how Diksha ceremony should be. There should be kirtan and chanting and dancing. All night Mahaprabhu did Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha also must be there. All night Mahaprabhu did Krishna Katha. And next day, all day, Kirtan, Sankirtan. Vasile o Prabhu sthira haite na pare, prema rase mahakampa vahe ashrudhare. Even Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was unable to remain steady. It was so filled with such emotions. There was trembling, tears flowing from Mahaprabhu's lotus eyes out of ecstasy. Bola bola kari Prabhu kara ye hunkar. Kshaura karma napita na pare karibar. In this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu constantly roared, come on, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. Mahaprabhu was dancing, doing kirtan, chanting Hari bol, Hari bol. How is the barber supposed to shave? This customer is moving too much. How is Madhu supposed to say shave? Shaura karma napita na pare kariba. He was not able to perform his task of shaving. He was afraid that I might cut the scalp of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with my blade. कथम कथम अपि सर्वदिनवशेषे क्षौरकर्म निर्वाह कैल प्रेम रसे. Somehow or the other, in between his ecstatic trembling, the barber Madhu, he managed to finally shave Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's entire head completely, including the shikha of Sri Chaitanya's sannyas, complete shave. It was finally completed. By the time it was completed, Sarvadin Avashesh. It was evening time. All the day had passed. तबे सर्वलोकनाथ करी गंगा स्नान आसिया वसीला जथा संन्यासेर स्थान. Then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all his devotees, they all took their bath in the holy river Ganga. And then Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after Ganga Snan, he came and sat down at the place where the sannyas ceremony was about to take place. Sarva Shiksha Guru Gaura Chandra Vede Bale Keshava Bharati Sthane Taha Kahe Chale. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is a spiritual master, he is a Shiksha Guru for the whole world. On the pretext of saying something, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu whispered something in the ear of Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj. प्रभु कहे स्वप्ने मोरे को न महाजन करने संन्यासेर मंत्र करिला कथन. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj that I had a dream and a great personality, a great Mahajan appeared to me and spoke some sannyas mantra in my ear. Now Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu understood that Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj is feeling great hesitation in giving sannyas mantra to Sarva Jagatera Shiksha Guru Sri Gaura Sundar. So understanding this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu devised a trick. He said, I had a dream and one Mahajan spoke a sannyas mantra. I'm going to tell it to you. Can you tell me, verify if that mantra is good? भुज देखी ताहा तुमी की बाहय नहे एत बलि प्रभु तार करणे मंत्र कहे. Can you verify this mantra? Saying this, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanted the mantra, the sannyas mantra, into the right ear of Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj. Hari Bol. In this way, through this transcendental trickery, Chale Prabhu Kripa Kari Tare Shiksha Haila. Bharatira Chitte Maha Vismaya Janmila. In this way, through this trickery, transcendental trickery, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu made Keshav Bharati Maharaj his disciple. Tare Shishya Kaila. Mahaprabhu made Keshav Bharati Maharaj because only a guru can chant the mantra in the ear. One should not hear the mantra from anyone other than one's guru. And Keshav Bharati Maharaj was struck with great wonder. Wow, I was just thinking how I can give mantra. Here, Mahaprabhu, through this trick, he gave me mantra. He has made me his disciple. So Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj became very, very happy. Very surprised at Mahaprabhu's trick. And Mahaprabhu realized Adbhut. Bharati bale na ei Mahamantravar. Krishnera prasade ki tomar agochar. Shri Keshav Bharati Maharaj said, how is this mantra? This is Maha Mantra. This is a great mantra. This is Vara. This is the better than all other mantras. This is the perfect sannyas mantra. Please, 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 you accept this mantra. Exactly what mantra you spoke in my ear, that is the mantra. That is the mantra I am giving you in this sannyas ceremony. This mantra is very, very good. And by the mercy of Lord Krishna, what is unknown to you? Ke tomara gochar. You are so, your supreme personality of Godhead. What a great transcendental trick you performed in front of everybody. I was thinking how I can give you mantra. You only gave me mantra. Yes, yes, that is the only mantra. So you give me mantra and I chant that mantra means I am a disciple. प्रभुर आज्ञा है तबे केशव भारती से मंत्र प्रभु रे कहिला महामती. Mahamati Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj then gave that same mantra back to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaturdike Hari Nam Sumangal Dhani Sannyas Karila Vaikuntera Chudamani. Hari Bol. In this way, Vaikuntha Chudamani, the crest jewel of all the Vaikuntha planets, Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev, he took sannyas and he had his head shaved, including his shikha. He went to Ganga, had Ganga Snan, wore the sannyas dress, and took the mantra, gave the mantra to Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj, and then in the Leela, took the mantra from Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj, received the mantra, and in all the four directions there was Harinam Dhwani, Sumangal Dhwani, the auspicious chanting of Harinam. परिलेना अरुण वसन मनोहर ताहाते कईला कोटि कंदर्प सुंदर. As Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wore Aruna Vasan, the saffron clothes, reddish orange clothes, he appeared beautiful as Kandarpa, Koti Kandarpa Sundar, like millions and millions of cupids. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu looked beautiful. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't matter whether he is little Nimai, whether he is Nimai Pandit, or whether he is Sri Krishna Chaitanya Sannyasi. It doesn't matter. Whatever form Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is, he is most attractive, most beautiful. Sarva Anga Shri Mastaka Chandane Lepit मालाय पूर्णित श्री विग्रह सुशोभित. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is freshly shaved. He is wearing the saffron dress of a sannyasi, and there is Chandan Tilak, there is Chandan Lep on his forehead, and around his neck there are prasadi flower garlands. And in this way, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Shri Vigraha, his beautiful form is Sushobhit. It's very beautifully decorated. Can all of you see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Katwa like this today during a sannyas ceremony? Hari Bol. Sri Chaitanya was very beautiful. Prakanda Sharir. He's very tall, 7 feet tall. He's very beautifully built. Every limb of his body is exquisitely beautiful. More beautiful than millions and millions of Kandarpa, cupids. Cupid is so beautiful that if a Cupid were to come right now in our city, everybody will be falling flat, taking autographs, taking selfies. So beautiful. Millions and millions of times more beautiful than any Beatles or any hero, heroine, actor, any celebrity that this world has seen. And millions of such cupids, beauty you add, stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Much more beautiful than that is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He's clean shaven, his head, his face, everything is clean shaven, and he is wearing saffron clothes. He has beautiful lotus eyes. His complexion is like dazzling gold, effulgent complexion, and he has wearing beautiful tilak of Chandan, Vaishnav tilak, Dwadasha tilak at 12 places. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has Chandan lep also on his forehead, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is wearing flower garlands. दंड कमंडलु दुई श्रीहस्ते उज्ज्वल निरवधि निज प्रेमे आनंदे विभल. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in one hand, he is holding, in his right hand, he is holding the sannyas danda. In his left hand, he is holding the kamandalu pot, water pot, and very effulgent. The danda is effulgent, being touched by Mahaprabhu, and his kamandalu is effulgent. And niravadhi nija preme Anande Vivhal. And constantly Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is overwhelmed in love for Krishna, who is he himself. Nija Prem. कोटि कोटि चंद्र जिनी शोभे श्री वदना प्रेम धारे पूर्ण दुई कमल नयना. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his own ecstasy of Krishna Prem, he is overwhelmed, and he has beautiful lotus eyes. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's beautiful face is more effulgent than millions and millions of moons. Haribol. On a Purnima night, you can see the full moon, how it lights up the night sky. Now, millions and millions of such moons do not compare to the beautiful effulgence of Sri Gaurachandra. So effulgent. Bahu koti chandra jini बदन उज्ज्वल गल देशे बनमाला कोरे झालमाला. Genie means to jitna, to win over, to defeat. Koti Chandra Genie means the effulgence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's beautiful face was more than millions and millions of moons. And his Kamalanayan prema dhare purna dui. They were filled with prema dhara, prema ashru, pranay ashru in the eyes. Kiba se sannyasi rupa haila parakash purna kari taha varni bena veda vyas. This beautiful description of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's sannyas will be later on described by Bhagavan Shri Vyasdev. सहस्र नामे तेजे कहिला वेद व्यास को न अवतारे प्रभु करे न संन्यास. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur says that actually in Vishnu Sahasranam, written by Srila Vyasdev in Mahabharata, one incarnation of the Lord is mentioned as one who is Sannyasakrit, Swarna, Suvarna Varna Hemango, Sannyasakrit. He will take sannyas, one avatar of Sri Krishna, and that refers to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sahasraname, in Vishnu Sahasranam, Kahila Ved Vyas, Vyasdev has said, what? Kono avatare Prabhu Korena sannyas. In one avatar, the Supreme Lord Vishnu takes sannyas, and that is this avatar. Haribol. এই তাহা সত্য করিলেন দ্বিজরাজ এ মর্ম জান এ সব বৈষ্ণব সমাজ. All the Vaishnava Samaj, all the society of devotees, they understand that this statement of Vyasdev in Vishnu Sahasranam has been fulfilled today because Supreme Personality of Godhead Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has taken sannyas. Sannyasakrit Kshama Kshanto Nishtha Shanti Parayana. This is the Vishnu Sahasranam. It is mentioned in Mahabharata in Dan Dharma as described by Shri Bhishma Dev. Vishnu Sahasranam Stotra. Sannyasakrit, he will take sannyas, accept sannyas. Lord Vishnu accepts sannyas. Kshama Shanta, and he is completely controlled, detached from sense gratification, and fully surrendered to Krishna. Nishtha, Shanti Parayana, fully determined to engage in the sacred holy name of Krishna, fully absorbed in Mahabhav, which ridicules the peaceful state attained by the non devotee impersonalists. So this is Sannyasakrit. He will take sannyas. This is one of the names of the Supreme Lord in Vishnu Sahasranam. Tabe nama thui bare Keshava Bharati. Mane mane chintite lagila Mahamati. Mahamati Shri Keshav Bharati Maharaj is now thinking now in this last part of the sannyas ceremony, initial ceremony, I have to give a name. Who can give name to Shri Gaur Sundar? I have to give a name. What name should I give? He starts scratching his head. I was unprepared for this. चतुर्दश भुवने ते ए मत वैष्णव आमार नयने नाही हय अनुभव. Shri Keshav Bharati Maharaj thought, I have never seen such a Vaishnava as Shri Gaur Sundar in the 14 planetary system. Chaturdasha Bhuvanete. I have not seen such a Vaishnava. Na bhuto na bhavishyati. Therefore, ataiva kothao na thake jei nam hena nama thuile mora purna haya kam. Therefore, now I must give a name to this unprecedented devotee, Shri Gaur Sundar. I must give him a name that name has never been given before. I have to give a unique name because he's a unique devotee. I have to give a unique name. Then my desire, my work, my service as his sannyas Diksha Guru will be completed. Purna hai kaam. Mule Bharati ra shishya Bharati se hai. Ihane tataha thui bare yogya nahe. Well, I am Keshav Bharati and all my disciples, they inherit the title Bharati. Like Srila Prabhupada is Swami. So all the sannyas followers of Srila Prabhupada in ISKCON, they are called Swami. During sannyas, Srila Prabhupada got the name Swami. So everybody is Swami. His Holiness Srila Jayapataka, Swami. Like that. Everybody gets the title Swami because they are in line with Srila Prabhupada. So actually, Shri Gaur Sundar should inherit the title Bharati from me. But Yogya nahe. That is not appropriate. That is not appropriate. He should not be named Bharati after me. I have to give a unique name. I have to give a name that Na Thake Jainam. Nobody has seen that name before. Nobody has that name. भाग्यवान न्यासी बोरो एते को चिंतिते शुद्धा सरस्वती तान आईला जिव्हाते. When there is sincerity, then there is help from Krishna. Dadami buddhi yogam tam. As Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj is thinking, what name should I give? What name should I give that nobody has? At that time, Shuddha Saraswati. Shuddha Saraswati is a spiritual, transcendental Saraswati. She came. पाइया उचित नाम केशव भारती प्रभु अक्षय हस्त दिया बले शुद्धमती. As soon as Shuddha Saraswati appeared in the mind of Keshav Bharati Maharaj, Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj realized, "Ah, I got the name. Eureka! I got the name. I got the name." And then Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj, who is called Shuddhamati, he had a very pure heart. He placed his hand on the chest of Sri Gaurasundar and spoke the name. Are you all ready to hear the sannyas name of Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev? जत जग तेरा तुम्ही कृष्ण बोलाई जाकर आईला चैतन्य कीर्तन प्रकाशिया. One second, there is some mistake. Krishna bolaiya. So that YA should be in the upper line. Jata jagatera tumi Krishna bolaiya कराइला chaitanya kirtana prakashiya. You have induced the people of the world. Jata jagatera tumi Krishna bolaiya. You have made people chant Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And कराइला chaitanya kirtana prakashiya. You have awakened their consciousness to Krishna through Krishna Kirtan, through Sankirtan. So, you have made people Krishna conscious. एते के तोमारा नाम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य सर्वलोक तोमा हईते जाते हईला धन्य. सी, जत जगतेर तुम्ही कृष्ण बोलाइया. You made people chant Krishna, Krishna, Krishna and कराइला चैतन्य कीर्तन प्रकाशिया. Through the Sankirtan movement, you have awakened them. When one is sleeping and Hare Krishna, there's loud Kirtan, what happens? We wake up. Chaitanya means to wake up. We become conscious. We become conscious. Through Kirtan of Krishna, you have people who are spiritually unconscious, you have making them conscious Jata Jagatera throughout the world. And because you are bringing people to the consciousness of Krishna, your name should be Krishna consciousness. Krishna Chaitanya. एतेक तुम्हारा नाम श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य सर्वलोक तोमा हईते जाते हईला धन्य. And because you are giving the consciousness of Shri Krishna to the whole world, your name is Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Chaitanya means consciousness, and Shri Krishna means Lord Shri Krishna. Therefore, your name will be Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Because of you, everyone will become fortunate. Haila Dhanya. You will make everyone fortunate. Because the greatest fortune is to become Krishna conscious. Eto jadi nyasi vara balila vachana Jaya dhani pushpa vrishti haila takhana. As soon as Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj gave this sannyas name to Sri Gaur Sundar, that your name will be Shri Krishna Chaitanya. Then everyone started saying Jai, Jai. They were started showering flowers. Hari bol, Pushpa Vrishti. चतुर्दिके महाहरि ध्वनि कोलाहल करिया आनंदे भासे वैष्णव सकल. All the devotees floated in transcendental ecstasy. Ananda bhase, Vaishnava Sakala. They were floating in the ocean of ecstasy, spiritual ecstasy, as there was a tumultuous Hari Dhwani. There arose great loud chanting of Hari, 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 Hari. Maha Hari Dhwani Kolahal. Chaturdik everywhere, in all the directions. भारती रे सर्व भक्त करिला प्रणाम प्रभु हईला तुष्ट लभि निज नाम. The devotees then offered obeisances to Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj, who had just given sannyas to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And even Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt very happy receiving this name, Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Very nice name. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम हईला प्रकाश दंडवत हईया पड़िला सबदास. After offering obeisances to the Guru, to Sri Keshav Bharati Maharaj, now all the devotees present there, they offered obeisances to Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Dandavat Pranam. They offered obeisances to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nama Haila Prakash, as everyone was chanting Hari Bol. हे नमते संन्यास करिया प्रभु धन्य Prakashila Atmanama Shri Krishna Chaitanya. By accepting sannyas, the glorious Lord thus became now famous as Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Hari Bol! Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. Sarvakala Chaitanya Sakala Leela Kare Jahare Jokhana Kripa Dekhaye no Tare. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu eternally performs his pastimes. And those who have received his mercy, Yakhana Kripa, those who are recipients of the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are able to Dekhaya Natare. They are able to witness the pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. How many of you would like to witness Sri Chaitanya Leela, Sri Gaura Leela? Hari Bol! आरकत लीला रस हईला से स्थाने नित्यानंद स्वरूपे से सब तत्व जाने. Only Shri Nityananda Swarup knows many other pastimes that took place in Katwa during the sannyas. ताहार आज्ञाए आमी कृपा अनुरूपे किछु मात्र सूत्र आमी लिखिल पुस्तके. It is by the mercy of Shri Nityananda Prabhu that I have written little bit, but only Nityananda Prabhu knows everything. Little bit I have written in this book, Shri Chaitanya Bhagavat. सर्व वैष्णवेर पाए मोर नमस्कार इते अपराध किछु ना लभे आमार. My obeisances to all the Vaishnavas who are reading this book. Please don't take my offenses seriously. Please disregard my offenses. वेदे इहा कोटि कोटि मुनि वेद व्यासे वर्णि बेन नाना मते अशेष विशेषे. This pastime of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taking sannyas will be described by millions and millions of Ved Vyasas. Why? Because every Manvantar there is a different Vyasdev. Hare Krishna. So this will be described. এই মতে মধ্যকণ্ঠে প্রভুর সন্ন্যাস যে কথা শুনিলে হয় চৈতন্যের দাস. In this way, in this Madhyakhanda of Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat, I have described the sannyas leela of Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Dev as he became Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Anyone who hears this will become Chaitanya Das. Hari Bol. Will become Chaitanya Das. Madhya Khande Ishwarera Sannyasa Grahana. Ihara Shravane Mile Krishna Prema Dhana. Hari Bol. Anyone who hears from this Madhya Khanda, this Ishwarera Sannyasa Grahan Lila, how Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted sannyas. Ihara Shravane Mile Krishna Prema Dhana. Anyone who hears this will get the wealth, the treasure of love for Krishna. Krishna Prem Dhan. Hari Bol. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Dui Prabhu. Ei Vancha Iha Jena Napasari Kabhu. O Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, O Shri Nityananda Prabhu, my only desire is that I never forget you. Pasari means to forget. Na pasari kabhu. May I never forget you. That is my only desire. He nadi na hai beki Chaitanya Nityananda dekhi bhaveshtita chaturdike bhakta vrinda. This is one of my favorite verses, favorite texts from Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat. It is repeated in many chapters. Sri Vrindavan Das Thakur says, when will that day come when I will see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Nityananda Prabhu surrounded by all their devotees? Because Sri Vrindavan Das Thakur came after Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Few years overlap was there, but he was a small child. Remember, Mahaprakash Lila, Narayani was a small child, the mother of Vrindavan Das Thakur. So Sri Vrindavan Das Thakur never got to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He never got to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But he got to meet Sri Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu was the Diksha Guru. And Vrindavan Das Thakur was the last disciple of Sri Nityananda Prabhu. So Shri Vrindavan Das Thakur is saying, when will that day come when I will see? I have never seen. When will that day come when I will see Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shri Nityananda Prabhu dancing in Harinam Sankirtan, surrounded by all their devotees? He nadina hai beki Chaitanya Nityananda, dekhiba veshtita chatur dike bhakta vrinda. When will I see Panchatattva? When will I see the six Goswamis? When will I see all these devotees together? Can we also pray like this? When will that day come when I will see Shri Shri Gaur Nitai surrounded by all their devotees? Let us offer this prayer. He nadi nahai beki Chaitanya Nityananda देखी बवेष्टित चतुर्दिके भक्त वृंद आमार प्रभुर प्रभु श्री गौर सुंदर ए बड़ भरसा चित्ते धरि निरंतर. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur, whose Lord and Master is Shri Nityananda Prabhu, says that Amara Prabhura Prabhu means Nityananda Prabhu's Prabhu is Shri Gaura Sundar. हरि बोल। आमार प्रभुर प्रभु श्री गौर सुंदर, ए बड़ भरसा चित्ते धरि निरंतर। Shri Gaur Sundar is difficult to attain. He is very strict. But because I'm approaching him through Nityananda Prabhu, who is my master, I have bharosa that he will accept me. Hari Bol. Otherwise, Chota Haridas, Kaliya Krishna Das, examples are there. Mahaprabhu can reject, but Nitai will not reject. One devotee was not able to follow the four regulative principles despite trying, and the temple president was complaining, temple commander was complaining to Srila Prabhupada. At that time, His Holiness Tamal Krishna Goswami Maharaj was the secretary of Srila Prabhupada. So these letters would come that this devotee again fell down, again did this, again. And Prabhupada would dictate a letter saying, tell that if he doesn't follow the regulative principles, I will reject him. He should become very serious. He should chant his rounds very strictly. After some time, again a letter would come. He again made that mistake. It happened two, three times. And Prabhupada's response was same. Tell him, warn him that if he doesn't follow the regulative principles, then I will reject him. Finally, Tamal Krishna Goswami Maharaj said, Prabhupada, you are repeating the same threat, but you are not rejecting him. I mean, there has to be some limit. His Holiness, Srila Tamal Krishna Goswami Maharaj said, Prabhupada, there has to be some limit. And Srila Prabhupada told Srila Tamal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, there is no limit to the mercy of Sri Nityananda Prabhu. Hari Bol. That is the meaning of Amara Prabhura Prabhu Shri Gaura Sundara, E Bada Bharasa Chitte Dhari Nirantara. Jai Nitai, Jai Nitai. मुखे हजे जन बले नित्यानंद दास से अवश्य देखिबे का चैतन्य प्रकाश. Whoever says, I am servant of Nitai, I am servant of Shri Nityananda Prabhu, I am Nityananda Das, I am Nityananda Das, I am Nityananda Das, I am Nityananda Das, से अवश्य देखिबे का Chaitanya Prakash. That person will be able to see the beautiful leelas of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu's leela will become prakashit, will become manifest to that devotee who says constantly, I am Nitai Das, I am Nityananda Das, I am Nityananda Das. मुखे ह जे जन बले आमी नित्यानंद दास से अवश्य देखी बेका चैतन्य प्रकाश. चैतन्य प्रियतम नित्यानंद राय प्रभु भृत्य संग जेना ना छड़े आमाय. Lord Nityananda Prabhu is Priyatam. He is the most dear to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. May I never become bereft of the association of the servants of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We have to hold on to the association of the devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jagatera prema data he na Nityananda tana haya jena bhajo Prabhu Gaura Chandra. It is Sri Nityananda Prabhu who is the bestower of love to the entire universe. Therefore, let me worship Sri Gaurachandra through Sri Nityananda Prabhu. Hari Bol. संसारेर पार है भक्ति रसागरे जे डूबीबे से भजुक निताई चांदेरे. Anyone who wants to cross the ocean of birth and death, and anyone who wants to drown in the ocean of bhakti, devotional service, should worship Sri Nityananda Prabhu. Who wants? Hari Bol. Then you have to worship Sri Nityananda Prabhu. काष्ठेर पुतली जे न कुह के नाचाए ए मत गौरचंद्र मोरे जे बोलाए. काष्ठेर putali, like a wooden puppet. Kuhake means the puppeteer. Nachai, how he makes the puppet dance. Ei mata Gaurachandra more je bolai. Similarly, it is by the mercy of Sri Nityananda Prabhu that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself is making me speak. Hari Bol. मनुष्य रचिते नाही ऐसे ग्रंथ धन्य वृंदावन दास मुखे वक्ता श्री चैतन्य. श्री कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी राइट्स इन श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत, मनुष्य रचित नहीं ऐसे ग्रंथ धन्य. ऑल दिस डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ संन्यास लीला महाप्रकाश लीला इन चैतन्य भागवत, इट इज नॉट द कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. मनुष्य रचित नहीं ऐसे ग्रंथ धन्य श्री वृंदावन दास मुखे वक्ता श्री चैतन्य. Through the pen of Sri Vrindavan Das Thakur, it is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who is writing, Kasthera putali jena kuha ke nachaye, ei mata gaura chandra more je bolaye. पक्षी जेन आकाशेर अंत नाही पाय जत शक्ति थाके तत दूर उड़ी जाए. I am like a small bird. A small bird cannot cover the vast, limitless expanse of the sky. 100 feet, 200 feet maximum, 300 feet, a bird can fly. Not really more than that. I am like a small sparrow. How much sky can I cover? How high can I fly? जत शक्ति था के वॉट एवर स्ट्रेंथ श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु इज गिविंग तत दूर उड़ी जाए. दैट इज हाउ फार आई कैन डिस्क्राइब विथ माई पेन वॉट एवर एम्पावरमेंट इज गिवन. এই মত চৈতন্য কথার অন্ত নাই যার যত দূর শক্তি সবে তত গায়. In the same way there is no end to Chaitanya Leela. One can narrate them only as far the bestowed strength allows. Hari Bol. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य नित्यानंद चांद जान वृंदावन दास तछु पद युगे गान. Accepting Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Shri Nityananda Mahaprabhu as my life and soul, I, Shri Vrindavan Das Thakur, sing the glories of their lotus feet. And then, very beautiful final verse. And the Madhya Lila ends with this. Hari Bol. आनन्दलीलामय विग्रहाय हेमाभ दिव्यच्छवि सुन्दराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय चैतन्य चन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते. चैतन्य चन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते. श्री चैतन्य चन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते. Haribol. Thus end the English translation of the Gaudiya Bhashya commentary on Sri Chaitanya Bhagavat Madhya Khanda, chapter 28, entitled Lord Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu's pastime of accepting sannyas and becoming Shri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. End of Madhya Khanda, Shri Shri Gaura Nitai, Shri Shri Gaura Nityanandau Jayatah. श्री चैतन्य भागवत की जय. श्रील वृंदावन दास ठाकुर महाशय की जय. श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की जय. श्रील अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. निताई गौर प्रेमानंदी. हरि हरि बोल. जय जय श्री राधे श्याम. Thank you very much, dear devotees. May the blessings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Nityananda Prabhu, and the Guru Parampara be upon all of you. And may your blessings be upon me. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्ण
प्रभु जी,
प्रभु जी,
बहुत बहुत
धन्यवाद
प्रणाम.
प्रणाम.
Happy
जय
Banshi.
जय राधे.
शिला
कृष्ण
प्रभुपाद.